And all my life you have been faithful. And all my life you have been so good. With every breath that I am breathing, oh, I will sing of the goodness of God. 'Cause you're the running after, it's running after me. Your God is running after, it's running after me. We run surrender now.
Thank you. That's it.
This is the world's coldest town where people actually live. Here, the average temperature in January is minus 50 degrees Celsius. So cold, yet people live here without any problem. They are just very familiar with this coldness. The name of this town is Onion.
Okay guys, tama. Istorya po.
Di kay lahi sa kon.
Okay guys, thank you sa ganito.
Okay, today is Friday.
Salamat po impresyon.
Friday night.
Sa upuan. National. Sulti ba? Ikaw proud sa aking vlogging.
Aray.
Why mo like and share me more? Dito ba? Saan na iwanan?
Para respond.
Ano ba?
O dagang basher bitaw.
Okay guys, di ba?